Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you guys want a nice drone that's not gonna break the bank? This video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. In this video, we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Holystone HS700E drone. I also am reviewing the HS720E, which is the foldable version. Check out the channel for that complete video. That video is already up on the channel. I will also try to link that in the very end of this video as well. This video is not for this one. This video is for this one. It has a 2.4 gigahertz communication to drone to receiver, brushless motors, 2204, 1620 kV, independent ESC, electronic image stabilization. This is not foldable if you are wondering. It has a 4K camera, adjustment of camera angle by remote control can be adjusted up to 90 degrees to 0. It has follow me mode and point of interest mode as well. Let's get this thing out of the box. This is a big box. Let's go ahead and get it out. All right, right off the bat, we have a nice case here. So let's get this out first so we can get more of a better look-see at it. We got a nice Holystone logo down at the bottom with a nice carrying handle here for the drone. Opening it up, which is nice that it does provide you a case as well. All right, we got a lot of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and get this on out. We have already off the bat, we have 2 sets of propellers. My guess is this does not have the propellers attached to it already, which I am correct. You have your big start manual here with your different languages. So make sure you do go over that for all the key features. I'll be referring back to that in a little bit. Okay, so before we do get out the drone, let's go ahead and get out battery number 1. And they do provide you 2 batteries, which is absolutely phenomenal. Here you have your 2 clip batteries right here. These are 7.4 volt, 2800 milliamp batteries each, putting out a total of 20.72 WH. We do also have battery indicator lights on the front as well. Hold that down, and that's giving us a 3. So that needs to be charged fully before we do give it a go. The other battery is going to be the exact same thing there. Back here is going to be our charger, our charging cables, which are going to be USB to USB Type-Cs. And those look pretty small, about a foot and a half or so. Again, a Type-C cable, USB to USB Type-C, 2 of them there. Phillips screwdriver, and our controller here. Now, if you've already watched my other video, the HS720E, this is going to be the same design as well. Flip out the bottoms here to be able to have better control of your handles here. And then up top here is going to be our flip out for our cell phone. And this is compatible. I have a very large phone. This is the Samsung S20 Ultra, which is a very large phone. Fits in there just fine, even with a hair bit more room on the top there. The fill is almost like a Mavic Pro by DJI. Designed very nicely as well. You do have a little tab right there if you want to rip that up. And that pulls out and tilts or goes back in and plops back into place. These fold flat. This folds flat as well there. You have your speed button on the top with your light. You have your camera angle here, 90 degrees again, 0 to 90 degrees, and your camera button right over here. There's your joysticks, and it does take, flip these out again, and it does take 2 AA batteries there, which I don't believe are provided. We'll go ahead and put that out of the way for right now. That's gonna do it for the case there. So now let's get out the drone. Here we have the drone here with our brushless motors. We will have to install those propellers there. And so how to charge the battery, just insert your provided cable. Again, they do give you 2 of these. You will need a wall adapter, but you guys probably already have one for your cell phone. Plug that into the wall, charge those batteries fully before you do give it a go. And also make sure you read your manual while it is charging, and we need to screw on our propellers. And while the battery is charging, you have your indicator lights right here, letting you know when they're fully full. Again, I just connected the provided cable into my cell phone charger adapter, right into the plug, and we're good to go. And when you do screw on the propellers, make sure you look at this diagram here. The head of it here, which is going to be your camera, is up front there. And on the propeller is marked B, A, B, and A. Here's an A, and this one is a B, and just follow that diagram and put them on correctly. And coming around to the side of the drone here, the Holystone logo right on top with a matte gunmetal finish to it with some sparkles in it. Of course, while the light is flashing against it as well. Coming around the back is going to be our battery compartment here. We do have some soft pads on all 4 of the landing gears there. You do have to peel off your sensor, little red tabs here, and the little small one here. And I did see the screwdriver, so I was a little intrigued. These are actually quick release propellers. The little screwdriver is if you do need to lift off your little locking attachment here. So let me show you how this does. This is designed just like the really high-end drones here. So you have your little tabs here. You go ahead and insert it there. And once it's in the appropriate slot, this actually pushes down and then it locks into place there. So now those are not going anywhere there. Very cool. Great design. And showing you the 4K camera here. And up top here is going to be our micro SD card slot there to be able to record your footage. It takes up to a 128 gigabyte memory card. I will have that linked in the description box below as well. And this again rotates here with the remote control, 0 to 90 degrees, with your dampening here for less vibration on the camera. The max transmission distance is 3,277 feet, 1,000 meters unobstructed. And if I didn't mention already, the battery type is a LiPo battery. Fully charge time is 5 hours. Again, that's a 2,800 milliamp battery. Max flight per battery is going to be 21 minutes. The lens is going to be 130 degrees. You guys can pause this if you want here. Your photo resolution, your video resolution there. The lens is 130 degrees like we just mentioned. Maximum transmission distance is 1,640 feet, 500 meters. The live video quality, 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080 at 60 frames per second. JPEG photos, AVI or MP4 video formats. Now we're going to look at the footage, guys. We've already saw this at the very beginning. Nice little reverse selfie here. Now we are out here in the country, so I do want to go ahead and make a couple observations here. If there is a little bit of wind, as you can see, you're going to get slight little jiggling there, but it does a great job. Now as you come to a stop, and then as it levels off, you're going to see that as it goes up and then comes back down. You can edit that in post. Here we are 90 degrees straight down here. Looking at that camera and then bringing it back up to a nice shot. What's cool about this drone is you can use this for video photography, for real estate. Here we are on a 5-acre ranch. Nice little flyover there. I am down there, middle, right there, as I'm doing a flyover of my folks' ranch there. Looking great. And again, as you come to a stop, then it levels off and it will go ahead and come back down. Here we're going to be testing out the follow me function. So I have the remote control in my hand and I'm just kind of walking the property here, picking up a slight jog. And we're going to go ahead and see how it functions here. There's a couple slight hiccups, as you saw right there where it kind of goes up, comes back down, but it's doing a nice job now. Then I'm running the opposite direction and it will sense that and then start following me here. I'll try to go off camera there as it kind of follows me and tilts back and down, keeping me in the frame, doing a pretty nice job. And we're going to be running to the right now and going to the right, and it will follow me back to the right there. Looking real good. The dampening does work. You get some slight jiggles though, as we can see obviously. But overall, it's doing a very nice job for a nice price in my book. I really like it. Here we are doing rotate mode, or orbit, I should say. We'll go ahead and check this out. Now, a function that you do have to mess around with while you're doing orbiting, it will go ahead and orbit. So if you're coming around a tree or something like that, you might need to raise it up to be able to get around it. Here we are raised up a little bit more above the house, raising it up even more as it's rotating. All I'm doing is just lifting it up a little bit further, and I'm not controlling the angle. It's doing that all on its own. Another little flyby, really nice as we come up to a nice shot. Here, very clean, doing a little flyover again. And check this shot out. That's a nice shot right there. Nice little flyover. Guys, overall, the drone has done a fantastic job. Great features for a great price. Again, the link is in the description box below. But please, just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. Those links in the memory card will be below so you guys can pick it up. Thumbs that video up if you wouldn't mind. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys. Also, check out the HS720E video that I did if you're looking for a foldable one for a great price as well. And I also am reviewing a few more. One coming out is their brand new one, the HS600. So stay tuned for all those videos, guys. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.